So quiet and empty post typhoon. So this is basically what it looks like. So yeah, this is Senado Square. Hardly anybody around. It's raining. There's some glass that I can see. I just my umbrella dropped, and I can see the broken glass right there. It's so subtle you can barely even see it. So yeah, there's definitely signs and stuff. And yeah, it's kind of interesting to seeing that thing because it feels like everything is back to normal. But yeah, anyways, it's quiet. I'm just gonna give you a quick little preview of Senado Square post typhoon. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, now I see. So this one is connected with that glass. So that glass is actually from the lantern, and then that one must have came from. Let's see, oh, there's the lantern over there, so I can see this space. It's weird. The glass is broken, so maybe it kind of moved around a little bit. But you can see the lanterns up here in this space, and I'm just going to show you some other stuff while I'm here. And we're going to come back there in a second. But this is Senado Square. It's usually just absolutely filled with tourists all the time. Let me get rid of that rain. And then this right here, Almeida Ribeiro, is almost empty. You can see almost nobody around. And then I think this particular post, that's amazing. That I don't know, they must have picked that stuff up later after the typhoon and all the stuff in the green there. I can't imagine that green would stay there. But anyways, this one must have rolled around a little bit and then the glass broke, but I can see where it came from. We're gonna go right now to where it came from. So looks like it was probably up on top of this post earlier, yesterday. So it's like missing the light part. Actually, these things kind of stayed in place. Looks like they're pretty securely locked down, but so that post would have been up there before. So that must have fell down, then somehow maybe could have been kicked. There's a lot of different stuff. It could have somehow got all the way over there. It could have rolled, but probably somebody kicked it down there. I don't know. But yeah, all this stuff stayed pretty secure. They do have some pretty strong ropes everywhere around in here. I think they lock everything up anyways in the evenings, and then they bring it back out. So that probably that one maybe got blown a little bit, but overall not much. And I guess those got moved a little bit, these two red ones. Those ones, they're kind of locked in place. You can kind of see that they secured those together, so they must have just kind of secured them all together so they don't move around in the winds. Let's come around to this side as well. And then we're gonna kind of make a conclusion. So we're gonna come up by the kiosk and then this opening part as well. Like some branches fell down over there and over here as well. Yeah, so last night I went up to category 10, so they've cleaned out a lot of the city already, but I think this one doesn't really affect anybody, so it's kind of a lower priority. It's based in this little kiosk. It's not like a street. So yeah, kind of interesting. So this is all post-typhoon. Let's come around this way. Broken umbrella. It's pretty windy. Can't really carry umbrella when the winds are strong. And so yeah, last night we had a category 10. This street is pretty much empty. Almeida Ribeiro. The last few months, this is like wall-to-wall tourists on the sidewalks, and the cars are pretty much the same. And there was around December, they made this a pedestrian street, so this whole street was a pedestrian street, and you could walk down it. And it's kind of interesting to see what it looks like again like that, in that context. So anyways, this is Senado Square. We're gonna walk back Yeah, it's so interesting. Yeah, you're not going to see it like this for a long time. Yeah, I just saw it sometimes during the COVID 3 years. It was void of tourists and easy to walk around, and now it's kind of like that again today post typhoon. See a lot of people with suitcases today, so I think they can't go anywhere yet, but they probably checked out and are just waiting to go somewhere, because category 8, I think the borders are still closed and the planes are definitely closed. So anyways, Senado Square after the typhoon. And it's actually, I think the more amazing thing to me is just how empty it is. Just so void of tourists. Oh yeah. That is kind of a cool photo right there. So, okay, so we're gonna end this Senado Square video. Oh, no, stepping in the glass. Dang it. Alright. Anyways. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.